Indian authorities have launched fresh spree of raids, crackdowns, and arrests targeting the members of Jamaat Islami across the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, India's dreaded National Investigation Agency and paramilitary forces are conducting extensive operations, seizing documents and apprehending individuals associated with Jamaat Islami social and welfare activities. Illegally detained chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Musarrat Alam Butt and senior leaders Shabir Ahmad Shah and Naeem Ahmad Khan have commended the resilient people of occupied Kashmir for engaging in political struggle against India both domestically and internationally. According to Kashmir Media Service, the leaders in their messages from New Delhi's Tihar jail highlighted the political maturity, wisdom and practical approach demonstrated by the people of the occupied Kashmir. Impending release of Article 370 has sparked uproar both in the Indian film industry and internationally due to its propaganda nature aimed at justifying the illegal and unilateral abrogation of Article 373 from the disputed territory by the Modi-led Indian regime in August 2019. According to Kashmir Media Service, the film distorts the events and manipulates the facts to fit a particular narrative. It has been revealed that over 50% of the schools in the occupied Kashmir are operating without the essential facilities. According to Kashmir Media Service, the latest data from the Unified District Information System for the Education shows that nearly 10,000 schools lack library facilities, while over 10,000 schools are without the ramps and approximately 10,000 schools are devoid of the playgrounds. 3 young teenage sisters lost their lives in the fire in the Ramban district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the sisters lost their lives in the fire that engulfed their house overnight in the Ramsu area of the district.